Welcome back to 52 Weeks of Fun. We're in Carson, Washington, enjoying 52 weeks of golfing fun. This is Jen, reminding you that we aren't just destination finders, but destination storytellers. Find all of our stories at 52weeksoffun.net. What makes golfing at Elk Ridge Golf Course truly unique is the combination of resort-style relaxation and serious golf challenge. The layout plays as an 18-hole par 71 course stretching approximately 6,400 to 6,500 yards. While the yardage may not sound extreme, the elevation shifts and rolling terrain makes distance control far more important than raw power. Course play is heavily influenced by the terrain. Many holes feature uphill tee shots that play longer than the yardage suggests, followed by downhill approaches where club sections become tricky. One of the most defining features of a round here is the scenic and changing environment. As players move through the course, they are surrounded by tall evergreens, open views toward the Columbia Gorge, and occasional glimpses of distant peaks. Wind is a frequent factor, especially on exposed holes, and can turn a straightforward shot into a true test of judgment. Despite that, the course is known for good drainage and year-round playability, making it a dependable option even outside peak summer months. After a round, players can step directly into the property's historic mineral hot springs, tying together recreation and recovery in a way few courses can offer. In the end, Elk Ridge is not just about score. It's about elevation, changes under your feet, mountain air in your lungs, and a round of golf set within one of the most scenic corridors in the Pacific Northwest. If you enjoyed this attraction story, please click that like button and share it with all of your friends. Remember to subscribe or follow us to see the newest attraction stories within all of our 52 fun activities. To get stories quicker, download the 52 Weeks of Fun mobile app.